right, guys, today we're going to answer one of the most hated questions ever. Which oil should you use in your motorcycle? I'm not here to plug any of these oils. The best oil that you can use for your motorcycle is whatever oil you choose. Simple as that. It can be Redline, it can be Lucas, AMSOIL, Motul, Mobil One, doesn't matter. Whatever you choose and whatever is easiest for you to get a hold of is the best thing you can use. There are debates about whether dyno oil is better for Harleys or synthetic oil is better. I've always run synthetic in my bikes, always. Usually this time I wasn't able to get a hold of AMSOIL before I wanted to put the oil back on my bike. I went to Fleet Farm. I picked up this Motul and this Lucas, and I usually keep this in stock. I have ran this in the transmission. The only thing I will say for me, I'm not trying to put my opinion on you. For me, this doesn't hold a candle to the AMSOIL Severe Gear. Severe Gear makes that transmission in my bike smooth as butter. This does not. It works, obviously. People love Redline, but it doesn't work for me in my transmission. I don't like the way it feels compared to Severe Gear. Now, don't let anybody force you into running an oil that you don't want to run in your motorcycle. If you think this is the best, awesome. If you think Lucas is the best, awesome. It doesn't matter what you run. Just make sure you keep on top of your oil. Make sure it's to the halfway up the stick mark when it's hot. That's what I recommend to everyone. Do not fill that motorcycle up to the top for oil just because you will start to push oil out the breathers. It's a common occurrence. Doesn't matter if it's a twin cam, a Evo, or M8. If you fill that up to the top, it's going to push oil out the breathers. Was able to pick this up today. I'm going to run this. I'm interested to see how this compares to AMSOIL since I've always ran this. This is a full synthetic also. I really want to see if there's any difference in heat or anything for me. This runs great, cool, love it. I think this has done me well. I got no problem with this stuff. I love it. This I'm interested in. I've never actually used Motul. I've heard about it. I've never even seen this stuff or used it. Or know anybody that's used it. I want to try this today. I like the AMSOIL primary chain case oil. Really quiets it down. Like I said, I want to try new things. There's no reason that you can't run whatever you want to run in your motorcycle. All right, guys, stupid video today, but it's something that needs to be talked about because it's all over forums, Facebook groups, whatever. Which oil is best for my motorcycle? Which should I run? Look at the manual. You don't always have to run 20/50, and sometimes you need to run heavier oil. Say if you're in Arizona and it's 120. Been in Arizona in 114 degree heat. This is just fine for me. It was me that was the problem in that heat because it was fucking unreal. You could feel the heat beating up off it was like you were in an oven. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and hit that bell if you would. Thanks.